In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import bank statement in Zoho Books. First, log into your Zoho Books account and head to the Banking tab in the left sidebar. This is where all your bank and credit card accounts live. Choose the account you want to update. If you don't see it, click Connect Bank to pick the correct bank or card. Or use Add Bank to create the account in Zoho Books first. Make sure you are selecting the exact account you'll be importing for, so the transactions land in the right place. Next, look to the top right and click the Import Statement button. This is perfect when you have a file from your bank and don't want to rely on a direct feed, or if you are backfilling past transactions. Now upload your file from your computer. Zoho Books supports CSV, TSV, OEFX, KEY, and CAMT.50, 3 files. If you are exporting from your bank, choose one of these formats. Before uploading, a quick tip: ensure the file doesn't contain extra summary rows or password protection, and that amounts and dates are formatted consistently. If you are using a CSV, you'll be asked to select the statement type. Choose double column if deposits and withdrawals are in separate columns, such as deposit and withdrawal. Pick single column with amount type if T here is one amount column and another field that labels each row as debit or credit. And choose single column with negative values if you have one amount column where negative numbers represent money going out. Pick the option that mirrors your file exactly. This ensures amounts are interpreted correctly. You'll then map fields. This tells Zoho Books how to read your columns. For example, map date in your file to date in Zoho Books, and description to description. Map the amount-related columns based on the statement type you chose. Take a moment to verify the date format and that the currency and decimal settings look right. Clean mapping here prevents misclassified or flipped amounts later. Click Next to preview. Scan a few rows to confirm dates, descriptions, and amounts align as expected. If something looks off, go back and adjust the mapping or statement type. When it looks good, click Import. You can also save this mapping for future imports, which saves time the next time you bring in a file from the same bank. That's it. Thanks for watching.